Hi and welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about the tools needed for documenting storm damage. Before we get started on the documentation process and what to look for as far as key photos, let's get into what tools you'll need during the inspection process. While there are many tools that can be used in different situations, in this section we're going to focus on basic tools for residential inspection. One of these, all of you already have, is a smartphone. This will be needed to take photos and document the damage. Even though your phone is convenient, it's not the best tool for the job. The camera setting on your phone can be inconsistent, or you could accidentally be taking live photos and not know it until you're completed your inspection. Documenting a project can require that you take many photos, and this will take up a lot of space on your phone while also draining your battery. You can also use a camera. A camera with a zoom function is the best way to take photo documentation of a project. These cameras nowadays are cheap, conveniently small, while still having good quality. Another major benefit of having a camera is being able to transfer the photos to your computer with an SD card. You can also carry multiple batteries if you need to do multiple inspections in one day. Next is Sidewalk Chalk. Sidewalk Chalk is a cheap and effective way of marking damage either by circling the damage on a shingle or by rubbing the chalk on soft metals to show dents better on camera. The benefit of using chalk to point out damage is that it washes off. Make sure to try and stay away from dark colors such as black and red on light colored metals as they can stain, especially if the metal has been painted or extremely weathered. Sidewalk chalk can be purchased easily online or in most big box stores in the craft section, or even sometimes in the kids' toy section. You'll also need a pitch gauge. A pitch gauge is important to have so that you can check the pitch on every slope of the roof. This will let the estimator know if additional costs need to be applied to an estimate for steep slope applications or if certain codes will apply due to low slope applications. Next is a measuring tape. Even though you'll be using a measurement report, you should always confirm measurements on site to make sure that your report is accurate. This can be done by measuring the main slope, height, and width, and compare those measurements to your report. You can also use the valley and roof-to-wall termination measurements. If the measurement report is inaccurate, you'll need to hand measure the roof or take the measurements back to the supplier of your report so that they can make adjustments on their end. There are items that you'll run across during an inspection that will not be provided in a measurement report, such as the size of gutters, the width of a chimney, windows, doors, skylights, etc. You also need a notepad. You'll need something to write the notes down and measurements on so that you don't have to remember everything. Next are Cougar Paws. Cougar Paws are shoes that are specifically designed to walk on roofs. These shoes allow you to stick to the roof surface, allowing you to safely inspect the roof. These shoes also have foam-like padding that helps prevent damage to the shingles on hot days. Bungee cord and ladder stabilizer. These items are used to secure your ladder to the gutter or roof surface. By securing your ladder, you will be able to prevent the ladder from sliding on windy days, as well as stabilizing the ladder while getting on and off the roof. A tool belt is a vital tool in itself. A tool belt will help you carry all the tools you need while keeping your hands free. While climbing on steeper roofs, it's important that your hands are free in case you need to grab a hold of something or catch your balance. Nothing worse than dropping a tool and having to climb down just to get it. You can pick up a standard tool belt at your big box store, or you can buy specialized bags online designed specifically for adjusters. Now that you have the tools you need, let's move on to the next section where we'll discuss the inspection and documentation process. We'll see you there.